Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is me unboxing my birthday presents from my best friends. And the first thing is I'm reading a letter that my bestie wrote Penny. Yes, thank you for the letter. I love it so much. Okay, at first you're wondering why am I dancing around? It's because I'm so terrified of 20 rats that she told me. Okay, the second letter. The box is open and yes, no rats. But I still look terrified. The first thing that I look is, yes, an egg. I'm holding an egg and I still look terrified. I don't know what I'm doing and I'm laughing right now as I watch this video because I'm so weird. Reading. Third letter. This is me trying to look, touch, and say thank you to them. And at last, a red package. And what is that? I'll show you later. Hahaha. Yay, cutie egg. Yes. Hi. This is the real video. Enjoy and thank you for watching.
Tastes better. Oh, another drink, I'll have her. Shitty weather.
Hey guys, I want to say thank you for the birthday greetings and also for the birthday presents. I love it so much. Thank you. I'm so happy.